Is speaking English still a challenge for you? Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Are you confused about how to start speaking English? You will be like, okay, I know a lot of words, but how to use them? How to use it properly? How to practice English properly? How to speak English in order to improve my English and to speak English fluently? How to practice speaking in English? If you have all these questions in your mind, and if you feel shy or unsure to express yourself in English, then this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to share with you the best speaking study routine. This will help you build your confidence, improves your fluency, and make your English learning journey effective and enjoyable. So, let's get started. Okay, let's first break down our routine. The first 5 to 10 minutes is warm-up. Just like you start your exercise, you start it with a warm-up, right? When you go to a gym, you first do your warm-up. Same like that, before starting English speaking, you just need to warm up yourself for 5 to 10 minutes. And how to do that? You should start with a warm-up to get your brain and mouth ready for English. You can practice a few tongue twisters. You know what are tongue twisters? Like the name suggests, those are the words that sound similar, that spell almost similar, and when you say it aloud repeatedly, like few times, when you repeat it fast, it make it jumbled up. They are fun activity. You can start your English speaking journey in a fun way. I'll give you one example. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, I'll say it again one more time slowly for you. Try to repeat it after me. She sells seashells by the seashore. 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 This is how tongue twisters work. So try this fun activity before you actually get into your English practice. You can also try repeating some common sentences and phrases. Note down some common English phrases and sentences that you use frequently and try to repeat them. Also try to do some breathing exercise to relax. I know this is not a big deal, but just try to do some breathing exercise because some of you might get anxious just before you start speaking in English. So in order to get used to it, or in order to make your body relaxed and stress-free, just try to do a few breathing exercise. Just breathe in and breathe out. So the second one is speaking practice. This is our main part of the routine. In fact, you only have this step in your speaking practice. This is the main part and you should try to do it properly, and you should do it for 20 to 30 minutes. If you have more time, you can practice speaking for 40 minutes, 50 minutes, etc. It's your wish. And if you don't have enough time, at least practice it for 10 minutes. Speaking practice is very important to speak English. If you practice English speaking, like if you are at your home and you are free, just try speaking something out loud. This will help you improve your English fluency. It will help you speak English faster. So there are 3 methods in this part. You can practice English speaking by following 3 different methods. You can either choose one of it, or if you want to do 3 of it, it's your wish. If you're comfortable with just one method, just follow that method. If you see more improvements just by following a single method, just try to do it. The first method is to speak on a random topic. Choose any topic. Your favorite food, a recent movie, or your plans for the weekend. Set the timer for 2 to 3 minutes. If it's 2 minutes, it's fine. If it's 3 minutes, it's fine. Just set the timer for a particular time, 2 to 3 minutes. And then speak continuously without worrying about the mistakes. Just speak however you can. Don't stop in between. Speak continuously. If you're repeating the same sentence again, it's fine. Just try to continue it. Don't stop in between. Try to continue. And if you make a mistake, don't stop there. Even if you know it's a mistake, just let it go and continue. The aim here is to speak continuously. Talk, talk, talk. That is our aim here. So, speak continuously and don't worry about your mistakes. The second method is record yourself. When you are speaking something, try to record your voice and try to listen to it afterwards to identify your pronunciation, grammar or fluency issues. When you listen to what you just said, you know where you need to correct yourself, where you need improvement. Is it the pronunciation or your grammar, or you need to focus more on your fluency? You can understand all this by recording yourself. Also, it can help you track your progress over time. You can see your progress if you record yourself, because you won't be speaking the same English on day 1 and day 30. You will have a lot of improvements. To see that improvement, you need to record yourself. Also, to check if you have improvements. Sometimes you might not have any improvement on day 1 and day 30. It is because you are going wrong somewhere. To find that out, you need to record yourself. The third method is find a speaking partner. You can join any English speaking group, or you can find any friends who are also keen to learn English. Or you can find any of your friends who are planning to improve their English. Also, you can practice with your random friends who knows English really well. You know, the more you practice English speaking with others, the more natural it will feel. It will help you improve your English very easily. Another step you can follow to practice English speaking is feedback and improvement. Practice this for 10 minutes. Watch a short English video. You can try watching the TED Talk, a YouTube vlog, or an English news clip. Try to repeat the sentences as the speaker says them. This will help improve your pronunciation and intonation. You can also write down new words and phrases, and you can try to use them in your everyday situations. You know, when you listen to these videos, you come across a lot of new words and phrases. Just try to write them down. And if you cannot understand any word or phrase, search for it. Find out its meaning. Make a sentence out of it. Practice that sentence or word, and the next day when you are going to practice speaking, choosing a random topic or any of the 3 methods, just try to include this new word or new phrase in there. Try practicing these new words and phrases to improve your vocabulary and to take your English to the next level. Now, before finishing up, I just want to tell you that you should be consistent. When you're practicing English, this is very important. Consistency. Also, try to set a fixed time every day to practice English, just like brushing your teeth. This can help you stay consistent. And don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is also very important. Remember, mistakes are a part of your learning journey. I hope you found this speaking study routine helpful. Try following this speaking study routine for a week and see the difference in your speaking confidence. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.